Hey you guys, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I just want to show you guys what's going on. Right now I'm in 6 live trades. I'm going to show you each one of these, so just pay attention. But like I said, this trading system is beyond a beast. You really can trade on any time frame, 5 minute, 1 minute, it doesn't matter. But I like to trade on the 15 minute, 30 minute, and 1 hour, and I'll show you why. Literally as we speak, we're moving to our new location. I have moving guys here moving out our furniture and everything else. And meanwhile, I just decided to take a look at the trades that I had taken earlier this week and decided to hang on to them because price action was bouncing around. But as I teach my students in class, which is taught every Tuesday and Wednesday, so when you do join, you'll be able to be live in class with me, talking directly with me. I'll teach you what you need to know. Okay, so don't worry about it. It's not you purchase it and you'll never hear from me again. No, just come to class every Tuesday and Wednesday, and I'm teaching live classes. That's part of it, and there's no extra cost, okay? So here's what I want to show you guys, all right? So these are 6 live trades that I'm in. Today is July 16th, 2020, so check your own charts. Even if I remove these indicators, it won't change the candlestick pattern, so you'll see it yourself, okay? So here we go. I got a notification on the 1 hour on this one, and I held tight, held it long, lasted for a few hours, it went straight into profit, and then came back at me, and then look, boom, 105 pips, and you can see it moving as we're talking, so you know this is a live trade. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's go to gold. I held on to gold for a couple of days now, and look, it paid off. Okay, and I got in on the 30 minute on this one, I believe, right here. As you can see, the signal came in, and voila, boom, in profit. 30 minute on gold, okay? Let's take a look at another trade. We're looking at GA, Great British Pound versus the Aussie. And as you can see, this is a fresh trade. If I drop down to the 15 minute, you'll see where my entry was. Boom, okay? Actually, I think I got in on the 30, okay? Right here, it doesn't matter. Either way it goes, crispy, clean, and no caffeine. And by the way, as I taught in class on Tuesday and Wednesday, this is what I call, hey, better swing. So those students who's watching this video, you know exactly what this play was. Here's the entry. All right, you know what that means. Look at where it is in the golden zone. All right, and therefore we can check the next golden zone, and then we check the next golden zone, and it was coming right out of there. All right, so that's another trade, and I'm just waiting for that one to play out and go up for much more pips. And so again, that's a live trade. Let's go to the S&P 500. All right, and let's take a look at that one. That one is doing pretty well. Again, it just went into profit a little bit. I've been holding on to this trade since yesterday. The market has jumped up a little bit, and as you can see, here's the signal on the 15 minute on the S&P 500. We have people in our group who are killing the system with just trading our system using either the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, or the Dow Jones US 30. Just doing those alone, they're killing the market with this system. As you can see here on the prior trades, look, this is the S&P 500. You see it drop down, shot down real good, made profit, came right back in and shot back up and made profit, and then right here it shot back down again. So either way it goes, this is a beast of a system. We're not done though. Let's go to the Euro USD, the Euro USD. So let's take a look at that one. This is one that I held patiently. I think I took it off the 30 minute. Let's take a look. And so as you can see, the price shot down. It tried to come back up, and you can see where I put my stop loss, which is where I tell people, put your stop loss above that zone. Why? Because if it comes back or try to even retest it, it'll take everybody else's money with this stop hunt candle, as you can see right here, but it didn't take ours. And patience, as I always teach my students every week, patience pays the bills. So when they started playing around, because there was some European leadership meetings, and then they also had some interest rate announcements on the euro last night and so forth, I don't care. I learned to be patient. I stay and hold my trades, and if it didn't hit my stop loss, I'm not going to worry about it. And as you can see, it played out multiple times in the past. Take a look right here. Take a look at this monster of a trade right here, and look, right in my golden zone. Swing, batter, swing. Here we go, another one. Swing, batter, swing. Okay, it was right in my batter's box. Took a swing at it, pitch tried to go the wrong way, and boom, held onto it, 45 pips right there. We're not done, hold on, let's go to another one. I'm also in the Euro Swiss. Let's take a look at the Euro Swiss. Oh my goodness, look at that trade right there. All right, so bottom line is, take a look. I got in right here on this one, I think off the 5 minute. Let's take a look at where the entry was, because I can see, let's take a look on this one. Let's pull back a little bit right here. And let me unlock my chart so you can see it. So you can take it off the 5 minute as well. So here's my entry. You can see it fell below the line. The entry comes in first before your entry here. So the signal comes in first, then the entry. That's how I can know what time frame I entered in on. So this one here, right here, the price is behind the signal, so I knew I must have taken this one off the 5 minute. See, I take them off a different time frame sometimes, so it just depends, okay? But as you can see, play it off, all right? Paid off very well, very, very well. Swing, batter, swing. So as you can see, I'm currently up on this one. Another 42 pips is sitting up in that top zone, so I might close out some money on that one. Let's take a look at the higher time frame, see what it's saying for me. All right, and so the higher time frame, see that 1 hour? Look, swing, batter, swing. See how it just comes around, tries to take you out, but where's my stop loss? It was below the zone, below the golden zone, and they didn't get me. They took everybody else's money out, but patience pays the bills. And here we go with a 41 pip. Oh, we're not done. Let's get one more up in here, and that's the NZD CAD. This is one that I held on for a long time. So again, take a look at the NZD CAD, and this is the one we started with, and I'm finishing with this one. Why? Because I love it. It was in the golden zone, right? Swing, batter, swing. So yep, they challenged me to swing my bat, and sure enough, I took a swing at it and walked away with 108 pips, and it's still going down. So therefore, I think I'm going to hold this trade. Look at what it did the last time it came in. See how they go up? Come all the way back. So those who have small trailing stops, those who's moving their stop losses into profit too early, look at how they did you. Take your stop loss out. Swing up, take your stop loss out again. And then they run off with your money. That's how they do it. So that's why you got to be patient. This is why others are losing trades. They don't realize how the market makers are really doing their thing. Yes, you can get, if you're scalping for a few pips, go ahead and do your thing, do the 1-to-1 ratio. But what I'm saying is that for those who want to trade long haul, here's what you need to know. Take a look at what they did. They shot up, which is called an impulse move. They did an impulse move, came back, took out anybody who had tight stop losses or who moved their stop loss too quickly into profit or had a small trailing stop, took you out, shot up again. Then they went and hit everybody else who said, okay, I'm gonna move my stop loss as it's moving up, which is what you're being taught, which is fine, no problem, as long as you're locking in profit. But look at what they did. They came back and attacked your stop loss again. And then what they do, bam, took way off with the money. Took off with the money. Look at there, all the way to the top of the zone. That was 219 pips right there. You see how they did that? That's why patience pays the bills. Patience pays the bills. Patience pays the bills. You got to be patient with your trades. So I don't know how much more proof you guys need. This is 6 live trades, and I'm not even staring at them. I'm actually moving I'm literally in the process of moving, and I just happened to stop and take a look. And this morning, as you can see, there's a lot of news came out, and everybody else whose stop loss was too tight, they took them out because I left my stuff alone. Patience is paying the bills. Look at that. In profit, 6 live trades. I don't know what else to tell you. Come and get this trading system, make your life easier. All right, you guys, have a blessed week, and I'll talk to you again.